Hey folks, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we have a really quick demonstration because it's just a standalone 8-track player, no radio or anything built in. This comes from Chris in Nashville, Tennessee. Thank you, Chris, for your business all the way from Tennessee. And this is out of a 61 Ford Thunderbird. The Cartable thing, don't really know who makes that, to be honest with you. It's pretty often that I don't know who makes something, but this does pretty closely resemble a Ford unit in many ways, but not always. But at any rate, I'm just here to make sure it works before I send it back. So let's go ahead and pop in the tape. End of a song there. Let's let the next song start. Blank spot there. And that takes care of that. There's just not that much to test on a standalone 8-track player. So this is my 5th video for today. I'm starting to get kind of hungry, so this will probably be the last video for today. Maybe catch up in the next couple days on videos. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And before calling me with a bunch of questions, please download and print the work order off the home page of that website, because my work order already has all my options, prices, and turn times. Going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer. And I'm not opposed to you calling me. I just want you to have my prices and options in your hand before you do that, because the more time I have to spend on the phone, the less time I have to spend on the bench, and that's where the work actually gets done. So please do your part, or please help me to do my part in staying on the bench and do this research before calling me. After that, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you again to Chris for your business all the way from Nashville, Tennessee, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh, incidentally, this is a Cartable 3800. Really don't know who makes it. I just care whether it works or not. Thanks again, guys.